Hello, guys. You're doing an amazing job. Don't you think that it's the first moment that Bitcoin didn't react to two bad news events, BitMEX and President getting COVID? Does that mean that we are in a bull market? Okay. Bill, your take on this?
All right. Well, I share this person's sentiment that I'm happy that there hasn't been a negative reaction. As we discussed earlier in the show, the perfect world is that, we would kind of all just sit here and watch the show go on, right? Okay. That said, I remember 2008, right? Uh, Lehman went bankrupt and the market didn't go down for like 2 weeks or more after,
Oh,
right?
wow.
The big crater. It took a while for people to process the news. Now, with all coins down a whole bunch and Bitcoin not reacting, could that be considered good? Hell yeah, it could be considered good. Do you want to start pushing chips in with, you know, like equities are going to try to go up now on this idea that Donald Trump's going to be the first human to recover from COVID in 4 days, right? That's not going to happen. That is not going to happen. Okay, so if there's a bid in the market today because of that, that's like algos reading positive headlines. It's no. Okay, if Bitcoin weathers the storm, yeah, it could be a tremendous 2021 because if there's no shakeout and we get a friendly regulator in there, yeah, that's super bullish, right? But do you want to commit capital and lose sleep over the current events? I mean, if you're holding it, I'm not telling you to go out. You have to sell today. I'm not saying that, but I don't think you're going to add risk in this environment. You're going to want to protect yourself if you can.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, definitely interesting times. I mean, so Bitcoin has been very resilient, very strong. So with COVID, with Trump getting COVID, it pretty much hasn't done much. But with BitMEX, um, I think I think there's still more to the story. Because somebody's saying that late tomorrow or Tuesday market is going to be flooded with blowback from Arthur getting taken down. I mean, because when the news first came out, I had no idea that they're actually making arrests. Because I thought it was just like, like, hey, we're taking this person to court to sue, right? So I thought it was like civil charges. I had no idea it was like criminal, where they can actually face jail time, and that they've already arrested one of the founders who was in Massachusetts. I mean, first of all, what are you doing running BitMEX in Massachusetts? I mean, but but wow. I mean, but I think, for example, if there's a picture of Arthur Hayes getting arrested, getting put in handcuffs, and that goes all over crypto world and Twitter and Telegram, I mean, I could definitely see a huge market correction. But I mean, long term, I think Bitcoin always bounces back. Bitcoin never dies. So that's kind of my take. Let me see if there's anything else to that. Now, are we in a bull market? I think we're still in a bull market. I think this was a healthy correction. Obviously, in altcoins, the healthy corrections, you could lose 90% of everything. But when you put things in perspective, right, if you've gone up like 10x, 20x, and it comes back down 60% on average, if you've been taking profits, you're good, right? So I don't think now is the time to sell everything and exit crypto. But I think it's, as Bill said, it's time to just be smart. Join us here every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern time for Bill's wisdom, for our AI analysis, and for just the Token Metrics crypto family love. And with that being said, I think it's been a great show, and it's probably time for us to wrap this up. But tell us what you think down in the comments below.